Hello friends, my name is Dr. R.P. Bansal. As I have already discussed in my previous videos that face masks are very useful in prevention of infection in this pandemic, especially when you are in a public area and you are in close contact with other people. So in this video also I am going to repeat certain points and elaborate certain new points regarding the use of face masks in public. So my first point is, if more and more people wear the mask, then it is more effective to prevent the infection, because we have studies which clearly tell us that suppose two people are talking to each other and one of them is wearing a mask, the other one is not wearing. So the efficacy of prevention of infection is only 20 to 25%. Whereas if both of them are wearing the masks, then the prevention of infection can be up to the tune of 80 to 90%. So this is the usefulness of mask. So we should not only wear mask ourselves, we should make sure that all other our friends and other contacts with whom we are talking, who are in our close vicinity, we should enforce them to wear a mask, and we can make a rule not to talk to anybody who is not wearing a mask. My second point is, we should only wear masks and should not replace the mask with the other props like handkerchiefs, dupattas, stoles, etc. You must have seen many people were using these items as masks. Why? This point is very, very important. Now, before I elaborate why it is important, let me make certain points. How a mask works. Why we emphasize that mask should be worn. A mask is basically a curtain, or you can say it behaves like a curtain between you and other people, between your breathing and the other people's breathing. And as we can see, a mask has two surfaces. One surface is your surface, which remains in your contact, and the other surface is exposed to the environment. This is the surface which comes in contact with other people breathing, and there are chances that as we wear the mask, viruses, bacteria and dust particles go on accumulating on this outer surface. And we should keep in mind that this is my inner surface. In this case it is white. You can touch this surface, or you can touch the mask by using the strappings. But please do not touch the outer surface after you have worn the mask, because this surface will become dirtier and dirtier as you go on wearing the mask. Whereas in case of handkerchiefs, dupattas or other such things, how do you remember which surface was in contact with your face, and which surface was the one which was taking viruses head on? So please do not use handkerchiefs and other things. Always wear a mask. And my fourth point is that even when you use a mask, it should be properly worn on your nose and on your mouth, and the fitting should be just okay. It should not be very, very tight and should not be very, very loose. Then it is more effective. And my last and the most important point is, as I have just mentioned, I repeat again, whenever you handle the mask, suppose I am wearing the mask, I want to adjust it. Suppose it has come here. I want to keep it on the nose. Please do not do like this. This is wrong method. Always use the straps. You can take off the mask and re-wear it again, so that your nose is covered. So always handle the mask by the straps. When you throw the mask, always use the straps. You can even break the mask into pieces before throwing into the dustbin, but the reusable fabric mask can be thrown into the washing area. Thank you very much.